Today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 425 different strategies, with 135 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. I was actually using the Academy of Forex Indicator, doing the scalping strategy that I mentioned in this video on a live trading account. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 324 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,052 indicators, with 339 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. And so the source video says the range filter indicator on Tradingview, the most accurate buy sell indicator on of 2024. And so of course we'll put that to the test and see what we can get out of it. Now of course we are almost to the end of 2024, so why the creator of the source video would choose to put that out right now, not really sure, but maybe they meant 2025. Who really knows? Nonetheless, we'll go ahead and hide the two indicators we have on screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is called the well map indicator. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And this one stays on the default settings. We don't change anything in regards to the indicator. And the next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the range filter buy and sell 5 minute. It is a strategy, so when you click on it and add it to the screen, it will pop up this strategy tester. Let's go ahead and minimize that down. And so what we're looking for a long trade, and in this particular case, all we managed to get was long trades. There were a few short trades or short signals, but all of them ended up being losing trades. And so for a long trade, what we're looking for is we're looking for when price is trading above the red line right here, or the middle line of the range filter. And then when it's trading above that line, we're then looking for a red dot to appear above the price action. It's kind of hard to see, but you can just barely see, blue dots, these blue dots that appear right here. I can actually turn off, there we go. You can see these two blue dots right here. And when I turn back on price action, you can see they're just slightly hidden behind price action there. And so we're looking for those blue dots to appear. Now these blue dots are kind of strange, and it seemed like they would appear and then it wouldn't lock in until the next candle actually closed. And so I went ahead and just did 1 bar into the future. And that'll be our signal to enter into a long. Put our trade right there. We're going to put our stop just right below this pivot area here. And we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. It's going to put us right there. Let's play this one forward and see how it plays out. And a really nice push to the upside does get us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did a 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we got 8 winning trades and 42 losing trades. That is a horrible win rate of 16%. Now with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $4,800. The losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $16,800 for an overall loss of $12,000 altogether. So again, a horrible win rate and a really bad strategy in this case. Just did not work and was super problematic. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 132 trades altogether. And out of those 132 trades, we got 103 winning trades and 29 losing trades, putting at 78% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $61,800. On the losing side, you would have lost $34,800 for an overall gain of $27,000. So definitely better results. And if you do use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, would have put you closer to the $61,000 profit mark. And so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. So just the other day, we closed out winning trade number 51. I'll put a screenshot up of that trade on screen now so that way you can take a look at that. That is 51 winning trades in a row, a 100% win rate using the position management strategy and the crypto scalping strategy from the Academy of Forex Indicator that I mentioned just a moment ago. We are over 3 months now with 100% profitability, and in backtesting, this combination was so powerful it did over 200 winning trades in a row before it finally took a losing trade. As a matter of fact, we're so confident in its ability to make you a profitable trader, we're offering a money back guarantee. If you join our if you join our Patreon and you're not profitable within the first month, then we will give you your money back. You can join our Discord for free and look at the money back guarantee right here if that's something you are interested in. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're definitely going to put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.